Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today I'm Gerald. I will be the host and I'm here with Bagas and Ibrahim. Today we will discuss about the topic email. Let's check it out. Bagas, what do you think about the email?
Email or electronic mail is a way to send some message through the internet. We can also send some documents, picture, and other files. It commonly used in school, universities, and some workplace in office. So that's my explanation about my email.
Thank you, Bagas. Ibrahim, why is email still important today?
Because email is more professional than messaging apps. Companies like universities use email for official communication, such as sending assignments, announcements, and job applications.
What are the advantages of email, Bagas?
Uh, Email is fast, free, and easy to use. We can communicate with people anywhere in the world and keep our message organized. It's also useful because we can attach important files.
Ibrahim, does email have any disadvantage?
Yes, people may receive spam or phishing emails. Some fake emails try to steal personal information. That's why we should check the sender and never click suspicious links.
That's good point. Finally, do you think email will still be used in the future?
Sorry. Yes. Even though messaging apps are popular, email is still the best choice for formal communication.
I agree. Email is reliable, secure, and necessary for education and business.
Thank you, Bagas and Ibrahim, for sharing your opinion. Today, we learned that email is still as essential communication tool because it Thank you, Bagas and Ibrahim, for your sharing opinion.
Thank you.
Today, we learned that email is still essential in communication tools because it is professional, fast, and practical. However, thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. I'm Bagas for your host today. Thank you for joining us. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic that affects almost every aspect for our life, which is artificial intelligence or AI. Joining me today and these are my friends.
Hello,
Gerald and
I'm
Ibrahim. How are you
Gerald.
Doing great. And you can turn
Okay.
over.
So Ibrahim, could you explain what is artificial intelligence?
Sure. Artificial intelligence is a technology that allows computers and machines to perform tasks that normally require humans' intelligence. These tasks include learning from data, recognizing image, understanding language, solving problems, and making decisions.
So yeah, that's a clear explanation. Gerald, could you give us some explanation of AI?
Yeah, of course. Many people use AI without realizing it. For example, Google search use AI to provide relevant search results. Google Maps predict traffic. Gimana?
Lanjut aja.
Ulang. Of course, many people use AI without realizing it. For example, Google search use AI to provide relevant search result. Anjing ketahuan baca banget coy.
Nggak apa.
Ulang ya.
Pendidikan.
Of course, many people use AI without realizing it. For example, Google Search use AI to provide relevant search result. Google Maps predict traffic condition and suggests the fastest route. Voice assistant like Siri and Google Assistant understand our voice command. Netflix and YouTube also use AI to recommend movies and videos based on our interface.
Okay. So yeah, that's true. AI become part of our daily lives. Now let's talk about the advantage. Ibrahim, what do you think about the biggest benefits of AI?
One major advantage is efficiency. AI can process huge amount of information much faster than humans. It can also work 24 hours a day without getting tired. In healthcare, AI helps doctor detect disease earlier, and in business, AI improves customer service through chatbots and data analysis.
Those are excellent explains. Gerald, do you agree with that? Lihat muka gua.
Yes, I do. I also think AI increases productivity. It automates repetitive tasks, allowing people to focus on more creative and strategic work. In education, AI can personalize learning based on each student's abilities and learning speed.
Bisa lihat muka gua, coba. Okay, although AI has maybe benefits, it also creates some content concern. Ibrahim, what are your disadvantages?
Um, One concern is job displacement. Some jobs may disappear because machines can perform the more efficiently. Another issue is privacy. AI system collect large amount of personal data, and if that information is misused, it can threaten people's privacy.
Okay, that's a good advantage. That's an important point. So, Gerald, do you think AI could become dangerous or not in the future?
AI itself is not dangerous, but people use it can be. For example, AI can create fake videos or fake news, which may spread misinformation. It can also use in cyber attacks if it falls into wrong hands. Therefore, government and technology companies should create ethical rules.
University student, let's discuss AI in education. Ibrahim, what is your opinion?
I think AI is very helpful for learning. Students can use AI to understand difficult concepts, practice language, and receive explanation quickly. However, students should not depend entirely on AI because critical thinking and independent learning are still very important.
Yeah, I completely agree. Gerald, what do you think?
I believe AI should be treated as learning assistant, not replacement for teachers or students. AI can explain concepts and provide ideas, but students must verify that information and develop their own understanding.
Let's move on the future. How do you think AI will change our life in the next 10 years? Ibrahim?
Turun, atas sedikit. Iya.
I believe AI will become even more advanced. We may see smarter hospitals, autonomous vehicles, more intelligent robots, and faster scientific discoveries. AI will continue helping people solve complex problems.
I agree, however, such team must prepare for this change by improving digital skills and adapting to new technologies. Education should also teach students how to use AI responsibly.
Okay, before we finish, I'd like each of you to give one final opinion. First, Ibrahim, do you have any opinion?
Mm, artifici- Artificial intelligence is a powerful technology with many benefits. If we use it wisely and responsibility, it can improvise our quality of life and support innovation in many fields.
Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. And now, Gerald, do you have one opinion?
Uh, AI is not something to fear. Instead, we should learn how it works and use ethically. Human intelligence and creativity will always be important alongside AI.
Thank you, Ibrahim, Gerald, for sharing
Yeah.
your thought today. Today we learned that AI or artificial intelligence offer many opportunities, but it also present challenge the require responsibility and ethical consideration. Thank you to everyone for listening out to our podcast.
Thank you.
We hope you find a discussion information in this conversation. Uh, I'm Bagas, and this is.
Ibrahim.
I'm Gera.
Thank you. See you to the next podcast and conversation. Bye.
Thank you.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to our podcast. I'm Ibrahim, your host for today. In this podcast, we're gonna talk about the internet, the important part of our daily life. And today I'm with
Bagas. My name is Bagas.
My name is Gera. Hello everyone.
Bagas. Can you explain what the internet is?
Of course, the internet is a global network that connects millions of computers and devices. It allows people to communicate, search for information, study online, and access many digital services from anywhere.
Gera, why is the internet important for you?
The internet makes our life easier. A student can learn online, business can sell products worldwide, and people can stay connected through email, social media, and video calls.
That's true. Bagas, what are the advantages of the internet?
Uh, One advantage is quick access to information. It also helps people communicate instantly and support online learning, shopping, and entertainment.
Okay, Gerald, are there any disadvantages?
Yes, the internet also has risks, such as fake news, cybercrime, and internet education. People should use it wisely and protect the personal information.
Bagas, do you think the internet will become even more important in the future?
Uh, Definitely, more technologies like smart homes, online education, and cloud computing will depend on the internet.
I agree. As technology develops, the internet will continue to improve the way people work and communicate.
Alright, thank you for sharing your opinion, guys. Uh, Today we learned that the internet has many benefits, such as making communications faster and providing easy access to information. However, we should also use it responsibly and stay safe online. Thank you for listening to our podcast, and see you next time.
See you guys.
Bye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you.